All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is take a look at this problem. And we have our first step, which is to distribute. So there's no distributions on the right, but on the left, we've got this one here. So I'm going to distribute the 6. That means multiply by both terms. So 6 times 3x and 6 times negative 2. That gives us 6 times 3 is 18. So 6 times 3x is 18x. And 6 times negative 2, I'm going to change that to plus negative 2. So 6 times negative 2 gives us negative 12. And then we're going to bring this 5x down equals 28x plus 18. So we did that first step, which is distribute. So next thing we got to do is combine like terms. So I don't see any like terms on this side because we've got the x and the 18, so those aren't like terms. And then nothing with the 12, but I do have the 5x and the 18x. So I can combine those, and that's going to be 18 plus 5 is 23x plus negative 12 equals 28x plus 18. So we combined our like terms. So the next thing we got to do is we got to get all the variables to one side. So we need to move either this 23x over here or the 28x to the other side. So I'm going to move everything to the side with the biggest amount of x, so that's over here. So I'm going to move this 23 over here. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to subtract 23x from both sides. So 23x minus 23x, that cancels out, leaves us with negative 12. And then 28 minus 23 leaves us with 5x. And I'm going to bring down this plus 18. So we got all the variables to one side. Now we got to move the numbers, these integers over here. So since I moved the variables over to the right side, I'm going to move the numbers to the left. So that means I'm going to subtract 18 from both sides. So 18 minus 18 cancels out, and I'm left with 5x on the right. And then negative 12 minus another 18 gives us negative 30. So I can check that one off. Now we're just going to divide and solve. So now I'm going to divide both sides by 5. And we get 5 divided by 5 is 1. So that's 1x. And 30 divided by 5 is 6. So negative 30 divided by 5 is going to give us negative 6.